This is the BLCKTEC 400. If you are looking for a scan tool that is reliable, quick, and easy to use for your weekend car work, look no further. This portable, lightweight code reader will help you get the job done in no time. It comes plug and play ready. By simply connecting the device to your car's OBD-II port, you can immediately start scanning for vehicle trouble codes. Get all the info you need at a glance with our all-in-one display. View the trouble code and understand the severity. Find out if this is a problem that requires your immediate attention or if it is something that can be fixed later. Identify if your vehicle is ready for an emissions inspection or smog check with our 3-color LED indicators. Green means you are good, yellow means you may need to make some repairs, and red means you need to make repairs before you can pass. All of BLCKTEC's scan tools can be paired with our app. Simply connect it via Bluetooth and you'll be able to view the diagnostic report straight from your mobile phone or tablet. You'll be able to get more information about your trouble code, the most likely fix, other possible fixes, and even purchase the right parts for repair, all straight from our app. Get everything you need to quickly read, understand, and fix your vehicle's problems with the BLCKTEC 400. BLCKTEC, smart tools for every task.